That was 100% Mickey in that helicopter.
Hey, what's up, Lang?
Mickey, is that you flying a helicopter?
No.
What are you doing?
I am so sorry, sir.
Why?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Are you going to jail?
I'm gonna try not to go to jail. Where are you, Lang?
I'm driving around right now. Where are you? Oh, I see a jet coming after you, Mickey. Need some help or what?
Oh my! Oh shit!
Want me to rent a jet and pit these motherfuckers?
Yes. Say fucking less. Do it. It sees us as visual. Fuck. I don't think they can turn very fast.
Who are you with right now, Mickey?
We're canals.
Who are you with? Who? Not where?
Fifi, Lando, Jubilee, Sab.
Jesus.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm getting a jet right now. Hold on.
I like that idea. Lang's gonna rent a jet and pit it. Oh! All right, we're heading north. North of the casino. We're on the highway. I'm gonna try and take him to. Oh my God!
Where are you, Mickey?
We're heading north on Los Santos Freeway up towards Braddock Pass. Oh, he's still on us.
Oh, I see him. I see the cocksucker. I see his ass.
We got Lang. This is call sign down bad. This is call sign down bad to King James. King James, you are clear to engage. Over.
Man, I want a fucking jet, man. Look at that thing. It looks so badass.
Yo, someone shoot this motherfucker. Blast him. Keep him off his leg. Oh, we're gonna run through the canyon.
Where are you, Mickey? I see him. Never mind.
He's on me. We're heading towards
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay, I'm over Alamo C, heading west.
Gotta go higher, Mickey. I can't do anything down there. you go, Mickey? Where'd you go?
Heading towards Sykkuno tunnel. I'm trying to lose it, man. Tough. Sykkuno tunnel, I'm heading north to south.
Oh my god, we might.
Wait, did we lose him? BTB?
I'm going to jail. Fuck. Please don't tell me he saw me. Please don't tell me he saw me. I think I was pressing the wrong button because it wasn't going up. I think I lost control of my fingers, chat.
When I fall on my face, you help me back up. Even when I hate myself.
Oh god, does he see me? I kind of hear the jet still.
Always on my side, even when I fuck up. She's always my ride or die, until the sun comes up. Ain't no question, she is the one, no discussion. Hot like combustion, I do what I need to stop all the fussing. Ride around the city just to kill time. Someone tries to attack me, gonna hide. I'll keep it safe, I'll die trying. Ain't no one gonna hurt you while I'm alive.
The thing is, like, I didn't really want to pit him. Like, I don't know, you know, if pitting planes is something I should be doing, low key, right?
Though there is so sprayed in the shredder, just fuck it up, man, you killing this game. Body and mind so nice, the wood does it. Tripping on my words, butterflies in my stomach. Baby, don't forget me, and I promise not to forget you. Even when things aren't the best, I'll be there. Even when shit hits the fan, I'll be there. Baby, don't forget me, and I promise not to forget you. Even when things aren't the best, I'll be there. Even when shit hits the fan, I'll be there.
ATC from Athena.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Wait, how do they know I'm here? What?
Do you see him?
Please don't find me. This is embarrassing. Please
I
don't
got him, I
find
got
me.
him,
So threw you out.
I got him.
Ugh, I flew so far. It's perfect. We can take him to Grandpa's.
All right. Oh, you grabbed him. You got him.
Got him. Hopefully we can get back onto this fucking
I got
island.
you, Lane. Good piloting, man.
That was so
I pitted that motherfucker and I crashed, Mickey. That was a terrible idea.
I know. I loved it.
Lang, you pitting him got him off us. They didn't see us. He turned the
but
wrong way. It was
what
all
fucking
you.
cost, huh?
Get the water out of his lungs, quick.
He's talking.
Oh.
Oh, thank God.
You good?
Oh.
You okay? We're gonna take you to grandma's. Don't worry. All right, somebody's gonna carry Buddha, and I'll carry Orlando again.
You just go to Grandpa's. It's right here.
I seated him.
How'd you even fucking find me?
We lost all you traced our steps. Oh, and then Jubilee, you gotta.
Someone's
Jubilee,
gonna grab.
Theory 50.
Oh, my bad.
Jubilee, I don't think you should fly the heli. Remember the last time we had you?
Hey, I did okay, and I did
All right,
have
that's
to
fine.
grab
You fly
me.
the heli. You fly the heli.
No, because then we're all. You gotta grab
Let's
me.
go.
All dive. Grab me, grab me, grab me,
Hi,
grab me,
Fiona.
grab me, grab me, grab me,
Hi.
grab me. Thank you. Ah!
Oh my God.
Well deserved. Well deserved.
Ow! Sorry, I was trying to grab you and I slipped. Let's go.
All right, good work today,
Oh,
everyone.
God, the Lakers
really
played today.
productive day so far.
We just lost money today. And
Yeah.
No, we didn't. We completed it at booth.
Don't worry, the vault will be available soon.
I want to do the vault.
Damn, this is quite the view.
Look at those fishermen down there.
They must have such a cool view of that fucking jet fight.
Oh yeah, it was pretty badass.
Yeah, just Saturday things, you know.
The weekends are a vibe, honestly.
We're gonna
So-
save you, Lang. Don't worry.
Do the cops
Fuck
not
you.
care anymore?
Well,
think
the
he
Jedi
Oh,
needs
are
to
I
really
saved you guys. I pitted the fuck
Yeah.
out of that gent.
That's what
Yeah,
they
guys,
go.
that was a
But what if
different
they
jet.
see us
I
coming
think
into
Lang blew
town?
one of them up.
Hey, look at that. You ocean dumped yourself. Awesome.
Grammys. Nice landing. Good shape.
Oh, no, I gotta help Lang.
Oh my God.
I hope he'll be okay.
Oh,
He's losing
fuck.
color,
Landy,
guys.
you
He's
okay?
losing
Lando.
color.
What happened?
You sliced with a blade?
Why did you kill Lando?
I didn't kill him. I just got out and dropped him on the ground.
I'm really proud of what you did,
Blade.
by the way.
I can't see. I can't see.
Shit.
Yeah, maybe. I didn't have
You
a
see?
mask
You see?
on, so.
I don't think I have. What do you need? Do you need a shungite for this? I think you have shungite. No, I
You'll
need
be able to
shungite.
see when you put him down.
Make sure he's okay, Mickey.
I'm really proud of you.
Of course. Do you have shungite?
I'll tell you know about this.
Buy some shungite. You want me
He
to
and I
do
are
it?
most impressed.
If you want to do it, go for it. I don't have any shungite.
Yeah, you're fucking poor.
You don't have to say the obvious.
You're fucking poor.
Okay? And you're about to be fucking dead. How about that, alright?
Oh, shut up. I get it. You kill women.
I kill everybody. You just have to be a
Oh,
female.
why
Not
is it
kill
so
my guild
small?
member. I can't
Oh my
see
God.
anything.
That's what she
It's
said.
so small. It's so small. Why is your heart so small? How am I supposed to give you CPR? What is this?
I can't say anything. I'm dying. I knew we should have killed Uncle Sam.
Hey, what's up, Tony?
All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
Goldfish
I'm good.
is being acquired right now,
Thank the good
I got him.
but it might be dead.
I don't believe you.
Oh,
you did.
What does it need to be alive?
my
I don't know.
hero.
Earl said get a goldfish.
Give me my money
But, like,
back.
only when I was able to
Fucking
gain.
no, it's my
Give
fucking
guy
me
who's
my
been
money
struggling
back.
It's my fucking
at the
50 bucks.
fucking the Polito fucking farmers market.
Where'd my 100
and then
go?
he's like,
Oh, I only got 50.
"Is it okay?" if
What
it's
the
dead?"
F?
And I'm like,
Get it
What
from
the
Sam,
fuck?
he's the one that threw you in a heli
I
plane.
guess sure, why not? So should we bring him a dead one or like?
I mean, he never specified if he needed to be alive, right?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. Like, do I bring him a dead one? Do I bring him a one that's alive? Like, do I just bring him like a goldfish like sticker? Like maybe like the food from like Roosters, the thing that's like the little. Should I bring him that? You know what I mean? Like, what should I bring him?
I would just bring him the dead fucking fish.
Just bring him the dead one?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't think he's gonna be pissed, do you?
I mean, he never specified if it needed to be alive, so I would imagine not. But at the same time, I could see him being very upset.
Okay. Do we have AKs?
Yeah, I got an AK.
Okay, we gotta bring those as well.
Okay.
Goldfish, AK, Wastelander, Goofy, Time Lord, Dr. Z, Bobcat.
Yeah, when are we meeting him?
Let's go to the manor.
Oh, I haven't got the call yet.
When are you
If
getting
you
the
could call
fucking
me
call,
right
Tony?
now.
Come to the manor.
All right, I'll be right there.
All right, see you there. Love you, bye.
Let me. Bye.
Well, that was interesting.
Yeah. That was crazy. Thank God Mr. Lang's okay.
Yeah, how
Right,
you
another
been,
car.
Jubilee? How's life?
What would
we have done without you?
Honestly, I'm okay, but yeah, as I said, I shot a guy today, and then I spit on a cop twice, and also I had 2 illegal guns on me, so I've been in jail for a little while. You know how it is.
Oh my God, you gotta stop hanging out with these people that always sending you to jail, Jubilee.
What the hell? I tried to save her. All I had was a
It was
bicycle.
literally Uncle Sam's fault.
Fifi deadass ditched me faster than you can say unadoption.
Yeah, that happens
Faster
with
than
you
you
and
can say
that happens.
unadoption, bro.
How can you say I ditched you? I walk out of a cafe, they start cuffing me.
Well, I wasn't talking about you. I said Fifi. Why? I couldn't do anything. I didn't have a car.
Fifi did ditch. I agree.
I didn't ditch. I had a bicycle. What, am I supposed to put you on the back of the BMX? Get away from the cops? Oh, no, bro. You told me to get out of the car and
Literally
boom, I was
all of
chased
that could have
right
been
away.
avoided if Uncle Sam had just drove away.
Yeah, because we needed to put him in the car because he was tough.
No, he could have just drove down the road and that whole scenario would have just ended. You were driving in a circle.
I was cutting the cops like it was nothing.
It's fine. It's
We
fine.
had a
And look what
I-
happened.
we
You
had
got
a
cuffed and
door.
I saved your ass.
It's fine. Such is life, right? At least I got to see my jail boyfriend. He's doing alright.
It's always the unsuspecting
You know,
nerd
that's a
that
positive
saves
attitude
the
right there.
day.
Always gotta look at the bright side.
You know what's crazy? The cops are gonna give me 67 months.
Oh my God.
I got them to settle on 15.
I'm amazed you didn't get more.
And then with good behavior, it was
That's some
like
queen
3.
shit right there.
Let's go.
He didn't shoot a guy.
Hey, here we are.
Oh, you dumb
But he
motherfuckers.
didn't even die, so
I hear the jet.
it's not that big of a deal.
Wait, is it dead here?
Yes.
Hey, why'd you text me to call you?
Because when I went to go call you earlier, you were on the phone. So I said, call me, because I wanted to see if you wanted to come to the farmer's market with me and get a goldfish. Well, you never
Sorry,
called.
I had to fucking save Mickey, Jubilee, and Fifi and all of them from the cops.
It's all right.
Yeah.
I get it.